Hello everybody, namaste and welcome back to my channel once again. So friends, today you are going to witness one very informative video and it is about the traditional attires of our northeastern girls. So to impart this particular information regarding these traditional attires to the people staying inside the campus, I'll be going to them and also will try to know some of their opinion regarding our traditional attires. So I hope you all will enjoy watching this video and please do not forget to hit one like after watching and also subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay, let's get it started. Hello ma'am, I'm Bhupendra. So I'm shooting this video for my YouTube channel. Okay ma'am. So today I have brought some pictures which are right in front of you, and these are all the traditional attires from the 8 different states of Northeast. Okay, so you can see here Sikkim, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, then Meghalaya, Assam and Tripura. Alright, so regarding this all dresses, I have 3 questions for you. So the first question for you is, out of all these 8 dresses, which 3 of them you'd like to choose to wear or to give someone?
If I'll choose something, definitely you'll give me this. You'll give me, na?
Yeah, okay ma'am, you'll get it.
Okay, so I will like to wear this mekhla.
Okay, it's from Assam.
From Assam. That is looking very beautiful.
Yeah.
And I mean, all kind of dresses, all girls like it. But then I like from this Nagaland dress also. What you have shown here.
Okay.
Very beautiful. And the Sikkim one, very beautifully decorated, nicely things are there. Ornaments you have kept, so it's beautiful. And I hope I will get all these things what you are giving.
Yeah, you'll surely get. Everything will be mentioned down in the description. Okay. So the first question for you is, which one you choose to wear or to give someone?
Okay, I'll choose this Arunachal Pradesh, sir.
Okay, fine.
I will be choosing Assam.
Okay, fine. Out of these 8 dresses, which one you would like to choose to wear or to give someone?
This mekhla chador.
Okay, alright. Next one.
Next, I would like to choose this one, this dress of Arunachal Pradesh. Third one will be of Nagaland. This is one of my favorites.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to mekhla chador, which is Assam traditional dress. Shall I select it?
Yeah,
from
okay.
Okay. This is. I will choose this one. It's called mekhla chador.
Okay. Second one?
Second one, I will choose a Fanek Fi from Manipur.
Okay, yeah. Very good.
And third one, I will choose Meghalaya Dagbanda.
Okay, fine. That's
I like the dress of Nagaland.
okay.
It's very beautiful. The combination is beautiful. I mean, all the fabrics used are, cotton.
Okay, yeah.
So skin-friendly fabrics. And they're very colorful. So I like the costume of Nagaland. Then I like the costume of Manipur.
Okay.
And I like the costume of Assam. These 3. I love these 3. The costume of Assam, Manipur and Nagaland.
Okay.
First one is this mekhla. I love it.
Yeah.
Second one will be this Arunachal Pradesh. And third one very difficult to choose. I think this one from Meghalaya to Saru.
Okay, this one, Mekhela Chador.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, this is from Assam.
Okay.
This is one lovely dress. This is something Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay, fine.
I can't spell it also. I think you need to help me spell this.
Okay.
Pronounce this rather. Etove Rage Tuma.
Okay, fine.
That's fine. I
Okay.
don't know how you pronounce that.
And the third one?
And the third one is this one.
Okay, it is from
Dhaka
Sikkim.
sari, Sikkim.
Yeah, Sikkim.
Yeah.
Alright, fine.
These are 3 lovely things.
Alright, ma'am. So now the second question is, like, you need to pronounce 3 of these dresses name. Any 3 you'd like, you can choose and you can pronounce them.
I think this one is easy. Mekhla. From Sikkim, Dhaka sari.
Okay, and the last one. I think all are easy.
From Meghalaya, maybe it is Thosaru.
Okay, fine. Fine, ma'am. Now the second question is, out of these 8 names, you need to pronounce any 3 of the dresses name. The dress name, not the stage name. You can choose any 3.
Dhaka sari,
Okay. I think all of them are very easy.
I know. But these are not familiar.
Yeah.
Mikhela Sadur.
Yeah, okay, correct, ma'am. One last.
Okay. Hanik Inapi.
Yeah, okay. Out of all these 8 dresses, you will have to pronounce the 3 dresses names.
Okay. Any 3 dresses?
Yeah, any 3 of them.
Any 3 dresses. Okay. One is that Thosaru,
Thosaru, okay.
which is from Meghalaya.
Yeah, okay.
Then the second is Dhaka sari, Sikkim, which I like it most.
Okay.
And the last one is Sodur, that is Mekhla.
Okay, very good, ma'am. All right.
First of all, Meghalaya, Thosaru.
Okay, fine, yes. Second one.
Second one, I will choose Pinganai, Risha. It's
Okay,
from Tripura.
Tripura, yeah, it's from Tripura.
And I will choose the Manipur one, Fanik Fi.
Okay, fine. You need to pronounce any of these 3 dresses name.
Yeah, Mekhla Chadar. I said first of all.
Okay.
Second, Moshu or something of Arunachal Pradesh.
You can see.
This is Arunachal. Then this is Nagaland. All right. Ateva Rage Thuma.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Thuma.
Yeah.
Thuma.
And the third one.
Third one is Moshu of Nagaland.
Okay, fine. Husha of Nagaland.
Husha.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Out of these 8, okay, you need to pronounce 3 of these dresses name. Any 3.
Yes. Dhaka sari,
Okay.
Mekhela Sador,
Okay, fine.
Korche Ponche.
Wow, that was nice.
Okay. Etove, Ragve, Thuma.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Next one.
Okay. This is from Tripura. And Rigani, Risha, and
Okay, fine. Yeah. And the next one, the third one.
okay. This is only one. This is Nagaland,
Yeah.
Moshu.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Ma'am, it's your turn now. Which 3 you'd like to name?
This is state Assam,
Okay.
and this is Mekhela Sadur,
Okay, fine.
then Sikkim Dhaka saris,
Yeah.
and this is Manipur Fanik Inapi.
Thank you, ma'am. And the last question is, like, anything you would like to say to all the girls or the women of Northeast regarding these traditional dresses?
Actually, I am really fascinated by the culture of Northeast.
Okay.
I have visited twice or thrice there, and whenever I have visited, the women out there are so empowered and they are so strong, and the way they come out in the society,
Yeah.
and the confidence they pose is incredible, and their dressing sense is it's very colorful, it's very nature friendly, I should say.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm impressed by their dressing styles.
Okay.
Always.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely words. Would you like to say something to all the Northeast girls or the women regarding these traditional dresses?
Northeast, even I look like Northeast only. It's nothing, we all are Indians, and beauty of each and every part is it's unique of it. There is nothing northeast or southeast or something, but the girls from the northeast looks more beautiful, more enthusiastic and more energetic they are. We have seen many examples in front of us. So thank you so much, the girls, those who are coming and showing their talent from the northeast wonderfully. So clap for them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
I
ma'am.
think your costumes are very, very gorgeous. They are skin friendly, the fabric is skin friendly, and I think they're all hand woven.
Yeah.
And the combinations are very nice, warm colors, and I think you all would look gorgeous in them.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, ma'am is also from Assam itself, but still I would like to question her. Okay. Like, what would you like to say to all the Northeast girls or the women regarding these traditional dresses?
Okay, I would like to tell that our Northeast is full of colorfuls. It's a different type of varieties of culture. You can see the different types of costumes and dresses, which is totally entire different from the other state of India usually, and the looks are very bright and beautiful. I said traditionals always rocks.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Would you give me one gift?
Which one would you like?
I would like to all.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Okay.
Love to wear. Be
Thank-
trendy, be stylish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you people are so lucky, girls, that you are having so wonderful dresses. The traditional dress of this northeast side is too beautiful, and you all are looking too good in this dress, and even we would like to wear it. Wonderful.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am.
Well, I have seen some of my friends from Northeast wearing these bright colors, and I really love. I also have some, but of course I don't wear it the way it's ethnically worn in the Northeast, but kind of made it into a ethnic Western kind of wear, a mix of ethnic and Western wear, and we've changed that. But then it's really nice. I really like the bright colors and the hand woven thing on it. It's really awesome.
Yeah, please enjoy your dresses. Please, whatever your attires are there, please respect them.
Thank you, ma'am.
I would say that we would like to wear your northern attires in a southwest part also. So you can spread all over India. We are all one.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.